Are you feeling overwhelmed by the complexities of managing your finances? If so, you're not alone. Many people are searching for the right financial advisor to help guide them through their financial journey. Topic: Finding financial advisors near you who can help maximize your financial well-being. Introduction. In today's fast-paced world, financial security is more important than ever. Whether it's planning for retirement, saving for your children's education, or simply navigating through debt, the right financial advisor can make all the difference. This script will guide you through the process of finding qualified financial advisors in your area and the vital services they offer. When searching for financial advisors, consider these key factors. 1. Define your goals. What are your financial objectives? Are you looking to invest, save for retirement, or manage debts? Being clear about your goals will help you find an advisor suited to your needs. 2. Research local advisors. Use online resources including directories, reviews, and social media to compile a list of potential advisors. Websites like Yelp, Google, and LinkedIn can be instrumental in understanding others' experiences. 3. Check credentials. Verify the qualifications of the advisors you're considering. Look for certifications like Certified Financial Planner or Chartered Financial Analyst to ensure they have the expertise needed. 4. Schedule consultations. Don't hesitate to reach out. Most advisors offer free initial consultations. Prepare a list of questions about their approach, fees, and how they can assist in meeting your financial targets. Understand fee structures. Financial advisors may charge in various ways: hourly fees, flat fees, or a percentage of assets under management. Be sure you understand how they charge and what services are included in those fees. Trust your instincts. Ultimately, you need to feel comfortable with your choice. Trust your gut feeling after meetings. A good advisor should not only be knowledgeable, but also relatable and attentive to your concerns. Summary. To find the right financial advisor near you, define your personal finance goals, research potential candidates, check their qualifications, arrange consultations, understand their fee structures, and trust your instincts when making a final decision. Closure. Taking the step to find a financial advisor can seem daunting, but armed with the right knowledge, you're well on your way to finding a trusted partner in your financial journey. Don't hesitate to reach out and start securing your financial future today. Please like and subscribe for more such information.